Hi, so you want to know how you can improve your sleep, and that's a great idea. Why? Because great sleep helps you with things such as regeneration, longevity, better health, and it helps you have higher energy levels during the day. Moreover, if you can get as well rested, and you can in 8 hours instead of 10, you basically have 2 extra hours daily. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can achieve great quality of sleep. Taking care of the sleep hygiene starts in the morning. First thing you should do is to inform your brain that it's a daytime. How you can do it? By seeking the sunlight. So, roll up the curtains and expose yourself to that bright sunlight. Next thing it would be nice to look at is having any kind of activity during the day. It doesn't have to be extreme, you can just move a bit during the day and it will greatly help you fall into that nice deep sleep. Before jumping into the evening part, there are 2 crucial things we should address. First one is that you should have your last meal at least 2 hours before you go to bed. Why is that so? Because to achieve great sleep, we need our bodies to slow down, so don't make it digest so late. Second thing is that we shouldn't drink at least 1 hour before going to bed. Our sleep should be uninterrupted by any kind of night trips to the bathroom. So we have finally made it to the evening part of the video where the most tips are. First, let's start with the hardest thing, but that is super beneficial. It is having scheduled time of going to bed and waking up. Our bodies love routines and it will greatly improve your sleep quality. Talking about routines, having a nighttime routine is a way to go. You should do something that you can do daily and consistently before going to bed that calms you down and makes you relax. Something like doing yoga, stretching, or my personal favorite, reading a book. But you should definitely avoid watching YouTube, TV, Netflix, or using any kind of social media because there are a ton of studies that say that it disrupts your sleep. Talking about the place you sleep in, there are 3 important things you should consider. First, air out the room and provide you with some fresh air. Second, chill the room a bit, lower the temperature just a few degrees so it's easier for you to sleep. And the last thing, that is probably the most important, is to make your room as dark as possible, preferably completely dark. Last thing that would be helpful to understand your sleep is any kind of sleep tracker. It can be a ring or a band or any kind of device that would help you understand the way you sleep and provides you with data with REM sleep, the times you wake up, and other important informations that would help you achieve the higher quality of sleep. Okay, so the video is over. I'm super glad, guys, that you spent some time with me, and since it's my first YouTube video, please let me know in the comments how I could improve. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye!